Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Nissan Navara RX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5416. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2008 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight. Left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 3 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted sports bar and tonneau cover with all bolts and brackets. Tailgate has 6 dents, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door has 2 small dents, right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door has 4 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, central lock and single plug type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, manual centre console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.